Deshaun, put your hands up. If you only washed your hands for what, 10 seconds, you still got this part that's the germs. All that white spots are the germs. How many seconds you been going?
So everybody do it right here. Ready? Okay.
So what are we doing, Mom?
So I'm going to pour this dye into everybody's hands.
Okay.
Okay.
And what does the dye represent?
The dye represents hand soap.
Ooh.
And we're going to show you guys the importance of why we need to be washing our hands. Let me give you a little bit more.
Come on, wash your hands. Let's see if the soap.
So first I go like this.
You first go like that, Eliott?
Yeah, and then I get more soap. Then I go like this.
How about you, Sean? Come here.
Then I go like this. I go like this to my thumbs.
That's how you do?
Then I go like this. Then I go like this.
Cool.
Then I go all my fingers.
This is me.
Now, Sean, hold your hands up.
How many
if somebody
seconds?
Just were to do that. Look at the white represents all the places the germs still are. That's why it's important to make sure you thoroughly wash your hands.
So, Deshaun, put your hands up. If you only washed your hands for what, 10 seconds, you still got this part that's the germs. All that white spots are the germs. How many seconds you been going, Eliott?
20.
Eliott, you got rid of all your germs.
Yep.
Look, there's no white on her gloves. She washed her hands for 20 seconds. Good job. How about you, Cash? You washed your hand for like 5 seconds. What do you got?
He got
Let me see your hands. Get back over here. He don't want to show his hands. How about you, Sean? How's your gloves? How's your gloves? Let me see. Put your hands up. Let's see if it's washed by now.
Right.
Oh, did Sean wash his hands for over 20 seconds? Cash is struggling. Maybe he didn't get enough soap.
The gloves are a little bit big on Cash. So.
He's like, Mom, more soap.
You want more soap?
Your hands are clean now. The black represents clean hands. The white represents... Yeah. The white represents all the germs. Mom, are you going to show us how an adult does it?
Yes. So, take your gloves off.
Oh, guys, look!
It's fine. That can wash off.
Look.
Oh, no coronavirus here.
So let's get a demonstration.
All right, demonstration.
Now I'm going to give Mom some soap.
Mom, some soap.
That's good.
So is that the same amount of soap you would use, Mom?
Yeah, a little bit more, but this is about amount. So if you just go like this, oh, I'm done. I see people do that in the restaurants or restrooms all the time. Look at all them germs that are still there.
So that's like,
you just think you're like that?
That's 50% of the population that does that in the world.
Yes. So you got to make sure you get in between your hands. Even I'm doing that, look at all that germs that's still right there.
Yeah.
In between. You got to get around your thumbs. You got to go like this around your wrist area.
My gloves are messed up.
Give me a little bit more soap, please.
Mommy has bigger hands, so she needs more soap than the kids. The kids were able to do it and get their hands sanitized, but a little bit. But because we're adults, we need more. Aliyah's trying to drown you in soap now. Don't cheat. Let's be realistic here.
And then you...
Oh, so you got to get between each finger.
Each finger. And what I tell the kids is like, you know them shows Mommy likes, the medical shows on TV? Well, you see how them surgeons scrub in? They scrub their hands. They
get between each one? Oh, that's why they get between each finger.
Yeah.
Because look at it. If you don't, it won't clean. It won't
clean.
It won't sanitize.
That's right. And see, I've done all that, and I still have areas.
Where?
Can you show me? Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Backhand, a little bit there. But for the most part, it is clean.
Not the
dye we're using dries up fast. That's why it's sticky, y'all.
Yeah.
But other than that,
that is cool.
That's a demonstration and the importance so you do not spread the coronavirus.
Yes. Guys, we would love to say thank you for joining the Eliott family of 7 plus all you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. We coming with content every single day. Stay blessed and highly favored. Peace.